Welcome to Knowledge Chat channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about a new series of discussions related with the Six Sigma. This particular session, that is the total number of videos, I have divided as 6 videos, that is as 6 parts. So totally there will be 6 videos. So this is the first video out of 6. So in this series of videos, I will be discussing about minimizing the medication errors in acute care facilities using the Six Sigma methodology. So here I just want to convey that the recap of what we have discussed. So recap of what we have discussed, and as you know, we are discussing a series of videos related with Six Sigma. So first we want to know what is the need, application, concepts, and what are the advantages and disadvantages of the Six Sigma. So I have discussed in earlier videos regarding this. Many videos I have discussed. So to have a quick recap of what we have discussed, yes, you all know that Six Sigma is a quality control tool. It is a it follows a data driven philosophy which is used by world's largest organization in order to achieve the near perfection. And I am sure that for all the MBA graduates, understanding the Six Sigma concept is a very key success for their career growth. So already we have discussed in many of the videos regarding the need. So as you know that Six Sigma is nothing but what is the primary goal of Six Sigma is nothing but it has to produce 3.4 defects per. That is, the primary goal of Six Sigma is to reach a level of quality where the process produces no more than 3.4 defects per million opportunities, that is DPMO. So this is done in order to minimize the variation, increase the profitability, and to have a better decision making, as well as to achieve the customer loyalty. There are many companies which are implementing this Six Sigma, and I actually know that the Six Sigma has been implemented by Motorola initially in 1986, and it has been then used by many of the Fortune 500 companies. For example, it is now used by Amazon, Microsoft, Google, and Toyota, Pfizer, and Coca-Cola, Starbucks, etc. So there are also many types of certifications which we'll be discussing in the later session. As well, we will be also discussing about the job opportunities for the certified professionals. So these are the different things which we are going to discuss in this particular video. And let's go and discuss about the today's topic of discussion, that is minimizing the medication errors. So this is what the discussion is all about. So we will be discussing about the minimizing, is that right? So we will be discussing about the minimizing the medication errors in acute care facilities using the Six Sigma methodology. So this particular topic I have divided into several different subtopics. So first we will be discussing about the critical challenge of medical safety. Then I will be explaining how this DMAIC architecture, that is DMAIC based approach, which is used in Six Sigma, is implemented in this particular project. So again, then we will be discussing about how we are going to reduce the variation in pharmacy dispensing, as well as the role of technology and automation, and how to cultivate a good culture, and concluding the strategies for value of precision. So everything we will be discussing in this particular series of sessions which I am going to deliver now. So whereas in this video I will be just discussing about the critical challenge of the medical safety. So this is what the discussion is all about today. So let's move on. So I think so we have divided this into many series of sessions. So in this session, we will be just discussing about the minimizing the medical errors in acute care facilities using the Six Sigma, and what are the critical challenge of medical safety is what we are going to discuss about. Okay. See, for example, in acute care settings, the major, that is, for example, in acute care settings, the margin for error is very razor thin. Actually, it's very thin. Actually, see, the medication errors ranging from incorrect dosages to improper administration routes represent a significant threat to the patient safety and a massive financial liability for healthcare professionals. And Six Sigma offers a rigorous data-driven methodology to move forward, and also it is by the technique called as zero harm by identifying the root causes of these variances. So, by focusing on the precision and process stability, facilities can transform high-risk environment into models of clinical excellence. Yes, I am sure that you have understood what I am trying to tell. And so we have discussed about the critical challenge of the medical safety, and in the forthcoming session we will be discussing about the DMAIC. Okay, how this. Okay, so finally I just want to conclude this by explaining about why the Six Sigma concepts are needed. What so all those things we have to discuss. So here you know that Six Sigma is nothing but a quality control tool. Is it right? So and also it is a data-driven philosophy is used by the world largest organization in order to achieve the near perfection. See, for example, any MBA professional he has to understand the Six Sigma concept for his career growth and success. And the need for Six Sigma, as already I have pointed out, it is nothing but the primary goal of Six Sigma is to reach a level of quality where a process produces no more than 3.4 defects per million opportunities, that is DPMO. So these things we have discussed earlier. So now we will be discussing about the types of Six Sigma certifications. So you know that there are various types. Actually, it has been defined as white belt, yellow belt, green belt, black belt, and master black belt. So totally there are 5 different types of belts. So as you go from white belt to master black belt, it just it indicates the level of your expertise and your responsibility. For example, white belts always deals with the foundational awareness, understanding the basic terminology, but does not lead to the project. Whereas the yellow belt, the participants as a project team member and supports green and black belts with the data collections. And whereas the green belt holders always leads the smaller and departmental projects, they spend about 25% of their time in Lean Sigma activities. So similarly, finally the black belt, so they are the full-time change agents. So they lead the complex and cross-sectional projects and mentor green belts actually. So master black belt, so this is the highest level. So they act as the strategic consultants, train the black belts, and manage the organization's entire Six Sigma portfolio. So there are various job opportunities for this particular Six Sigma. So like for example, they can become for example. You can also achieve 10 to 20% of the salary increase. So they can go as see, for example, they can get various job titles like continuous improvement manager, quality manager, quality assurance manager, project manager, process consultant, and data scientist. So these are the different roles which are available actually. So with this, I think we have come to the end of this session, and I'm really very thankful for your patient listening. And if you have any doubts or queries, you can just ask me. And if you really like this video, please give a thumbs up to this video. And if you have any doubts, you can comment in this video in the comment section. As well as if you feel that this particular video will be useful to someone who is learning about the Six Sigma and eager to know about the Six Sigma concepts, you can just share this particular video. And as well, you can just subscribe to this channel, which will be a motivating factor by putting more such videos in near future. So thank you very much for your patient listening. Thank you.